Hey everyone, Steven here, and I'm going to be using Structure Styler on Gladimire's hair. So it's a scoop that requires a little light digging at first, but once you get through that top barrier, it's like butter. Work it through your hands. Now, Gladimire's hair, he's got a lot of it finer texture, but watch this. You can see how it's instantly building that volume and that structure, but it's so pliable, and that's what makes this product amazing, is that it will continue to hold its shape throughout the day, but without feeling sticky or stiff or anything. It gives you that amazing pliability. This is one of a kind hair product, probably in my opinion, my best hair product and one of the most incredible products I've ever used. And you can see I'm just kind of working in, sculpting it and shaping it. And that's what's great about this, is it gives you the freedom and flexibility to shape it and mold it, and then you can do it throughout the day. It's incredible. I've never seen or used anything like it, and I'm so proud it's part of my line, shop.thesalonguy.com.